Hello, everyone. My name is Asmaa Kurdi, and today I'm going to be talking about my graphic design capstone project, Dear Me, which is a mental health bullet journal. I had so much fun designing the journal content, and I hand drew each element of the journal. I drew over 20 yearly trackers. Some include birthday tracker, bucket list, rate my day, anxiety tracker, energy tracker, stress tracker, and many, many more. I also had fun drawing 3 themes for each month. For example, for the month of June, there's art theme, picnic theme, and retro theme. And same goes for all the other months. I also designed over 20 monthly pages and trackers for each month. These include Mood Tracker, Adulting Tetris, Habit Tracker, where you keep on track and you track your record throughout the month. Lastly, we have the end of month pages. There's an end of month review where you write top 5 highlights, biggest success, biggest challenge, good habits, bad habits, and top 3 goals for the next month. And lastly, we have the Council of Selves, where the user gets to interact with 4 internal perspectives: past self, present self, future self, and the inner narrator. These 4 prompts help the user gain more emotional clarity and self-compassion. And for each month, there is a certain theme. For example, for the month of June, the theme is alignment, and we have resilience theme, we have boundary setting theme, and many, many more. Dear Me, a journal brand. First, I wanted the logo to be a tree that symbolizes resilience, personal growth, and stability, because the roots means the past, the trunk means the present, the branches means the future, and the leaf mean life experiences. But then I switched to a more minimalistic approach. I thought of incorporating the journal notebook into the design, using variations of design like stamp-like, book cover, one-stroke drawing, while maintaining the same typographic approach. And this logo was finally created. An open book means vulnerability and reflection. A handwritten script means intimacy and authenticity. Extended line and pencil means continuous process. And the overall message is that Dear Me is not just a journal. It is a safe space to meet and understand oneself. Here are my primary and secondary color palettes. And here's my logo with a secondary color palette. These are my typography. And here is the journal mockup. I also had so much fun incorporating Second Life packaging concept. So instead of just taking everything out of the packaging and throwing the packaging away, why not grow something in it? So with each packaging, there's gonna be a cotton sheet and a small packet of mung beans. Mung beans sprouts are very nutritious, and when you grow them, in 2 or 3 days, you get to eat them. And if you want to grow them even more and keep watering them, they turn into very lovely plants. Either way, you're soothing yourself and you find resilience and you find calmness. For my booth design, I first wanted it to be a cozy bedroom corner. But then I was very inspired by the 2D cafe designs that we find overseas. So I decided to do that because it matches my journal even more. Here are the elements that I needed to include in my booth. And here's a rough sketch of what I'm gonna paint in acrylic in black on the walls of my booth. Here's how it turned out to be. Everything is hand painted, just like my journal. Here are some more pictures. And here are some close-up shots of me with my journal in my booth. That is all I have for you today. Thank you very much.